24 Asia, we started with 5 people in 2018. Today, we are 3,500 people, and we have done so many initiatives and successful projects, and there are many more success to come.
From a dream to a movement. Today, we celebrate 7 strong years of 24 Asia. Happy birthday, 24 Asia.
We thank every student, volunteers, and supporters who made this journey meaningful.
Happy birthday to 24 Asia. It is not just our birthday, it is a celebration of lives we have touched together.
7 years ago, we started with a simple mission. Today, we're a growing family united with purpose.
Every student, volunteers, and supporter is a thread in this beautiful tapestry we call 24 Asia.
Let's keep moving forward together with compassion, culture, and courage.
Happy birthday, 24 Asia!
Graphic team says,
Happy 7th birthday, 24 Asia!
From the
same team, happy birthday, 24 Asia!
Happy
7
birthday, 24 Asia. From
Social media team! Yay!
Your relatives says, happy birthday, 24 Asia! Happy birthday, 24 Asia!
Happy birthday,
新加坡的生日和24 Asia 的生日是同一天的，让我们一起庆祝